of our fucking review. Let's see what it does. This shit is going straight through that fucking can, man. Alright, feels good. Let's check good. Let's go ahead and put the rest of it. That's all of them. And this the Lone Wolf blower does come with a upgraded trigger system, trigger springs, and the upgraded slide release here. This is a regular Gen 4 17 upper, and yeah, everything below is not. It's not